Hi, okay, we're just going to talk about how to change your steering servo. This is a blast here, but this would also work with a brute. You're just going to need a Phillips screwdriver. We need to undo 6 screws. There's 3 on each side for this plate. And I'll just quickly take these off. One of the things I always suggest when you are working on any of the radio-controlled cars or trucks, planes, boats, is sometimes put all your screws, we're not doing it here for the video, but on a towel so they don't roll off a bench onto the floor and be lost forever. So we just got to undo this. This is holding on this upper plate. Of course, the order that we're doing this, we would just do this in the reverse order for reinstallation. But there's these one on each side here that holds on the, locates the shock tower on the bottom here at the back. So once that's out, you can now take this plate off. Okay, now the plate's up. Now you'll notice it won't completely come off. In order to do so, we need to undo these 2 screws here. On the brute, it's a little bit easier, just with the way the shock tower is mounted. But nonetheless, it's not a difficult thing to do. So we can just spread this open, we'll take the plate off, and you'll see your total of the 6 screws, the 3 on each side here, and then the 2 in the front. This will give us great access to the steering servo. Now to take the steering servo out, we're just going to undo the link here. Okay. Now make sure when you're doing this, because there's those 2 little silver pins that hold the steering bell cranks on, none of that is locked in because this upper plate locks that in. So you just have to be careful. And then the second step would be there's a screw down here, which actually there's only 1 screw that holds the servo in. And then we're just going to undo that. And I lied, Marcus, so there's 1 screw that holds the servo in at the front and 1 servo that holds the screw in at the back. And then we're just going to take this unit out and we're going to unplug it gently from the speed controller, and that's our steering servo. So if we have a broken a gear or something with this unit, it's just 1 unit out, and then when you order the part, you put the new unit in. The servo saver on the end, sometimes this screw, it can come undone, or the servo saver here can crack, but this will come as a separate piece, or when you buy your servo, that is included. So again, just to redo this, we're going to just put this back in, and it'd be the opposite process to redo it.